Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Retrieve video yẹn. That is the job they're gonna do. Baba Fure ti bọ́ta sọ. It should come out and confirm. You were invited and you went, you spoke with police and you told them what you wanted. And he cannot hide it again now. Kò ṣe fọwọ́ bò mọ́. But tọ́ ọba ṣọ́ra. Wọ́n bàbá pọ̀ olórí kọ́tẹ́ kọ́ máa expect tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí family yẹn ni pé kò sí agbára fún wọn gbà yẹn. Ọlọ́mọ ayẹ kí ẹni tó júyàn lọ. Kó gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ yàn. Kó lu ẹ̀ tún máa bẹ onítàn. Àdánwò yẹn Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó dé bá ọ̀kan wa o. Kéèyàn tó bá pa èèyàn ní ọmọ tó jẹ́ tó tún pẹ́ lọ́mọ ló máa bẹ̀. Àbí tó máa ṣe ó dà mo ti gbọ́. Ẹ ṣe Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kéèyàn rí o. Àdánwò ńlá ni o. So, in terms of hello, thank you.
Mo ń jọ láṣẹ fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Mo ń jọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ sà, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀. Justice for Mohbad, justice we see, lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí. Àwa tá a kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ corona nígbà tí a kọ́kọ́ lọ tí Wùmí sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ nígbà yẹn. Bọ̀ lórí gbogbo ibi tí Wùmí sọ̀rọ̀.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ bá wa ṣe kọ́mọkọ́mọ.
Ok sir, ṣé mi sir?
No, Mr. Olukayode tẹ́yìn bá sọ̀rọ̀ tán wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Ok, so nígbà tí Wùmí sọ̀rọ̀ ní corona ń gbà yẹn, Wùmí jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé tí a bá rí ìwà bàbá a máa sọ wọ́n ní igi pa ipe bàbá máa ń gbé àlè wá sí ilé ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìgbà yẹn. So many of us did not believe that. Mama tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ bá mi. So many of us believe ngbà yẹn pé òótọ́ ni ìgbà kan rò pé bóyá pé she is just saying that out of hatred. But eventually nígbà tí a wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rí ìwà bàbá a wá rí wọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ènìyàn tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò ní ìtara ọmọ. Àìdẹ̀ ní ìtara ọmọ òun ló fa gbogbo ibi tí àwọn tí Mohbad délé ni. Àìní ìtara ọmọ bàbá òun ló fa ibi tán délé ni. Bàbá ẹ má bínú ẹ mọ̀ pé mi máa ń sọ yẹn torí Bíbélì ní pé tí ìpìlẹ̀ bá ti bàjẹ́ ó ní kí ni olódodo máa ṣe. Nígbà yẹn wọ́n parí ọmọ yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ fún yín ìyàwó òun fi oògùn oorun sóúnjẹ fóun ó ń ṣe léyìí ó ń ṣe tọ̀hún gbogbo ìwà tẹ́ ń wù sí lẹ́ ń wù nígbà tí Mohbad wà láyé. Òun ló jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé bàbá ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn tó ń jà fún justice for Mohbad bó ṣe ń jà tẹ́ ń sọ pé ìjà tó ń jà yẹn gangan náà ń pè ní justice for Mohbad. Àgbàlagbà tí ò tó lé ló máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ má bínú sá o, mi ò wá síta láti insult yín. Kí ni mo wá fẹ́ sọ ni pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dórí pòkè àárín nǹkan kan ṣe kákan ṣáà jókòó a máa rojọ́ látàárọ̀ dalẹ́ ni. Ọlọ́run wá gbé èèyàn kan dìde ó gbé Yomi Fábíyì dìde ó ní ó yá dìde kó lọ wá justice fọmọ yẹn. Máa yẹn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jáde ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bà gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ tó bá ti gbé jáde báyẹn ẹ bàjẹ́. The same thing ẹ wá ń ṣe é sìn tó jẹ́ pé Làgàtà gbé voice note jáde ẹ bàjẹ́ tẹ́ni ọmọ náà gbogbo jáde ẹ bàjẹ́ bọ̀dì ó ní tìǹtẹ́ ní tẹ̀sí ni pé nǹkan tó bá ti wá lọ́dọ̀ ti yín òun nìkan lẹ fẹ́ ká celebrate. The Lord God Almighty will judge gbogbo yín pátá láti A to Z. Ẹ̀yin ìkà mi ò fẹ́ dárúkọ woman because mo mọ̀ pé you have been dragging me but all the same mama ẹ ò gbèsòlẹ̀ tó dáa fáwọn ọmọ yín ẹ ò lójú tí yín bá ẹ rò pé ẹ ṣe gbé ẹ ṣe pamọ́ ni because kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbin kòkó kó ká ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀ ó ṣèwọ̀n whatsoever a man soweth he shall reap. Gbogbo tẹ́ gbè nínú ayé òun lẹ máa ká. Ẹ mú gbogbo iṣẹ́ tí màá ní ṣe ẹ̀dẹ̀ dojú ẹ̀rú smarting owó ló fẹ́ gbà smarting ibi tó bá tẹ̀yà bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ló ti máa ń jẹ. Ẹ fọ̀rọ̀ owó sílẹ̀ gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe dáadáa tó ṣe yẹn òun ni kẹ́ máa rí. Mo máa ń tẹnu mọ́ kinní kan Olórí Ẹbí ẹni tó pààyàn lẹ́kún lẹ́ni lè pààyàn lẹ́rìn lọ́la. Ó ṣe burúkú sí mi lẹ́ni does not mean pé mi ò lè mú ẹnu ẹ̀ dùn lọ́la. So why tẹ wá kú fún ìkà nínú justice ìkà yìí critical thinkers ẹ̀yin critical thinkers ìsọnù ẹ ò kúrò lójú kan bí tó tẹ wà gbogbo yín wà ní diaspora ní gbogbo yín wà but you kept on sending ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní petition àwa tá à ń sáré káàkiri Yomi will go from láti Abẹ́òkúta náà ti máa wá sí Zone 2 náà ti máa wá sí kinní tó bá pe conference àwa tá wà ń Ìbàdàn àwa tá wà ní Ìkòròdú gbogbo everybody will rally around a máa ṣe wàhálà yẹn at the end of the day ẹ jẹ́ ń rubbish effort everybody the Lord will rubbish effort gbogbo yín lórúkọ Jésù tẹ́bá rò pé gbogbo bá ṣe ń sákàkiri yẹn kì í ṣe wàhálà là ń ṣe ẹ wá mú ọmọ yẹn rẹ̀ sínú mọ́ṣúárì bàbá wa ń buka ẹ wá bọ́lẹ̀ nù mọ́ṣúárì yẹn ó ṣe bọ́lọ̀ ṣe ra ni ẹ rí pé ẹ̀rí wọ́n di ìbàjẹ́ ni ẹ̀rí wọ́n di ìbàjẹ́ gbogbo ẹbí dákẹ́kẹ́ ni wọ́n máa ń dákẹ́kẹ́ jà ní ànímọ̀ wà fọ́ọ̀sì àti bèrè lọ́jọ́ kan pé ṣé ọgùn àbí ṣé olórí ẹbí tó ló ń ṣe fúrákàsì ni ẹnujọ́ mẹ́ta mo ṣàwọn mọ̀ pé bàbá kan máa ń ṣẹnu jẹ́jẹ́ mutí ni Baba Latisneh àgbààgbà oyè ìbá ẹ 1 million ọba mi ẹ jẹ́ ń dákẹ́jà rẹ̀ ọ̀bíbí fẹ́ provoke yẹn.
Good morning from New York. Mo kí gbogbo ilé, Olori Ebi Káfàtà. Mo kí ẹ o. Kú gbìyànjú, kú fìtọ́mọ ènìyàn ṣe. I salute everybody on this platform this morning. The Lord will be with all of you. Bí ẹ ṣe filé àtọ̀nà yín sílẹ̀, tẹ́lẹ̀ ń wá justice yìí. Ọlọ́run á san yín ní ẹ̀san rẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Olori Ebi, every day we come here, we hear new stories, we hear new revelation. I salute Andy and I salute your courage. God bless you. You see, when I talk, some non-entities will say, what is this man saying? I keep asking one funny questions. And that question is, does the Aloba family want justice? Nobody has been able to give me the true fact they want justice. If they want justice, we won't be where we are today. Don't deceive yourself. We won't be where we are today. They don't want justice. And I keep saying one thing. Nigerian government is not stupid though. The president is not a fool. A smart person. An intelligent person. A man of timber and caliber. I can say it anywhere and stand tall with it. Look, with all this revelation, people in government will be laughing us. And they will be looking. And their own mind, they will be saying, ẹni tó ní ọmọ, ó lára òwò, ẹ̀yin lára ń ro. Ẹni tó ní ọmọ bọ́ síta ó kọrin fún yín. Ó ní ẹ sọ díẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ kẹ́ ṣe kí ni, kẹ́ dákẹ́ jẹ́. Look, we've tried. We've done the best. We've done what we can do. And I keep telling you people, if Aloba family does not stand up and let us know they want justice, you can't get justice. Don't let us deceive ourselves though. We can't get justice. If that family cannot stand as one body, as the Timothy family's body, we won't get justice for Mohbad. Let me give you that bombshell today. Yomi Fabiyi may try you, may do everything possible. But let Yomi Fabiyi get one thing clear from me today. If Aloba family does not stand up right, you will not get that justice. I'm telling you the truth. A lot of things are on ground. To let us know that justice will not come. Baba Mohbad is just using delaying tactics. Baba Mohbad keep Mohbad in the morgue room. For what reason? Why is he keeping Mohbad for? People are not looking at it to that. People are not looking into that angle. Why is this man still keeping Mohbad? Boya àwòrán tí Baba Mohbad ṣe ni pé as long as you keep Mohbad in the morgue room, you will continue to, your fame will continue to go higher. You can see. Look, I wish we get that justice, but the way things are going and with revelations coming out and with what we are seeing, I don't think we can get that justice. I'm sorry to say, because every way, every action, every attitude to get that justice is being truncated by this so-called family. So what do? That woman that spoke last said, "Only tí ìpìlẹ̀ bá bàjẹ́ kí olódodo máa ṣe." Ìpìlẹ̀ kéèsì Mohbad wọ́n ti bàjẹ́, ìdílé Mohbad ló bàjẹ́. So you can talk.
Mo fẹ́ gbàgbé. Okay.
Law will. Andy said the statement. Baba Mohbad kò kọ́ni fún Wùmí náà, kò kọ́ni fún gbogbo àwọn tó wà nínú ilé náà. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wá justice ní Baba Mohbad kọ́ni fún náà. Àbí Latisneh ìwọ kọ́ náà pè ní gewéjú ni. Yomi kọ́ náà pè ní pátákópa ni. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ sọ díẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀kẹ́ dákẹ́jẹ́. Ṣẹ́ni tó fẹ́ justice ni. Ẹ rò pé kọ́ńfì kan ò bọ́ síta ohun antagonize yín ni. Iṣẹ́ tó ń gbé fún kọ́ńfì tó dẹ̀ ń sanwó fún nìyẹn. To bring you people down. To bully you people. To molest you people. To frustrate you people. Ẹlẹ́rù ti sọ pé ẹ sọ díẹ̀ kẹ́ ṣe kí ni kẹ́ gbẹ́nu dákẹ́. It's a pity we are in this situation. It's a pity that we have a family like that from the Yoruba race. How do we get justice? Wọ́n ní tí olè ò bá sí olè ta olè jà. Jẹ́ ká lọ mọ̀ yẹn dáadáa. Tí olè ò bá sí olè ta kò lè ṣe kí ni kò lè jà. As long Baba Mohbad is not ready to follow the right track, to get justice for Mohbad will be very difficult. And that is my point this morning. I rest my case. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. You're very correct to a large extent. Thank you for your eulogies. But in Convey can understand fundamentally, the whole idea without the family, an individual cannot get justice, was because they were able to put up a particular structure down to tilt everything towards the family side so that Koniboso Warata. And what they did was they want the noise. They want to show that they are actually fighting for justice. But any serious body or any individual to go outside them to find the truth, they'll find a way to quell it, which was what I actually negated. Eripe, to do so many things, to enter Mohbad's house, I didn't run through the family. To pick Adura, to pick Damola, to pick King White, I didn't run through the family. That was why I was able to succeed. And to be honest with you, Adura will make a move. Yayo first go to a first situation, Adura will sit before any police officer. And every honest person knows that. I want to want the case to investigate Latile. They didn't give Adura that kind of a leverage. They didn't even allow it. So by going further, anybody that wants to fight that justice must be able to separate Mohbad from the family, which is what we do. And anybody that wants to get justice eventually will have to do that. And you must be willing to face the storm. There are so many attacks that came to my way. There are so many, talks, many things were done to actually silence, to weaken, to scare me away. Sacrifices were not made. But the best way to get justice, you must be willing to distance your quest for justice with the family. And then, initially, none of those people don't want to be. Every camp don't want Justice for Mohbad. Even Berekete will find it very difficult to pursue a case to arrest Adura. If to buy Baba Mohbad. So the moment I realized that there is no way in the constitution that says if a family are not willing to pursue justice for any victim, the person will not get justice. If you are resolute and you are determined and you're seeing the right thing, to need good background and structure, the only victim and the only person you are pursuing justice for is Mohbad. You will find the truth anywhere, including from the family. And when I was pursuing the truth, set aside earlier police investigation, to strengthen or to even set aside the corona, anyone try to block. But unfortunately, God came through, and the Adura came himself while he had me speaking. And he was able to realize that, let me go and send to this person. We can't deceive ourselves that though Adura lo ba mi chat, but we won't need to take big bamo. What should load that lying? Because any attempt to use anybody outside that time, within that short frame of time, I should want to. So they got somebody, but they still failed. See, Kobatun shepe ori pe Aduro conveniently. Me ati Baba Mohbad lajo lost command. He was there. He thought that when the police, Toba Daruko Commissioner of Police, fun Yomi Fabiyi, pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó kóra wọn jọ yẹn, Toba sọ pé Damola ló bá mi chat, ma káwọ́ kúrò. And I told you people, I said, Ori dúró ńbẹ̀ yẹn kí n gbọ́rọ̀ mi ni mo sọ fún wọn ńbẹ̀ yẹn pé I need to put my statement down now. I don't believe Damola Ayinde Abibudu òun ló bá mi chat. Mo ní mo dẹ̀ kọ́ ní capital letter wà no statement mi. If you get to that court, you'll find it there. That was where they got to know. And I told the Damola, I said, you are in for something serious if you don't know. I don't see you have any support or lawyer here. My NGO is willing to give you one. My pariwo sister fa lawyer ni. Only be case my day I will seek pro bono for him. Kò ṣe pé bí mo ní owó tí ma sọ fún lawyer at that time. But there are some lawyers bá ṣe wà ń sí àti ìjàdé bí tó yẹ pé a máa drag MBA gidi one case, because as we speak now, because Mohbad bó ṣe rí, the MBAs and the senior advocates are meant to come up. Because they are an institution that is meant to come up for cases like this. But they are silent. Only a strong NGO will challenge them. But unfortunately, need more. Because I was going to take them up and say, hey, Liwambe as an association, legal body, and you're not doing anything. So when you consider getting justice for Mohbad, anybody that pursue justice, you will take it away from the family. Any justice, saying family, any of the section, there can't be justice. And that is what we did. That is why we were able to get a name called Zomo. And the evidence is don't claim because they know what we have is the truth. That is the truth. So it takes a whole lot of sacrifice. When you keep saying no justice, it's because people are not willing to sacrifice. Mo protection kiri, mama your SIM card intermittently. Me lost she more because it's that track me down here. Mo saka kiri emeji mo ti sawa sí London in the spirit of ko podu ko emeji. Mo wa nbi pẹ̀lú ọmọ ọdún mẹ́ta. Ere le pe ni. I wrote to the president. I went to an embassy to submit to an ambassador. Show back about the full presidency, and when they know what I'm saying is the truth, me you submit the letter they call. I submit with some cogent evidence. So people don't know. But the fact remains that whether Mohbad will get justice or not, a feel less or long. Want to That's the honest truth. It's not me. I'm not after anybody, but gbogbo wa mọ̀ pé gbogbo rubbish tó wọ́n ṣe yẹn Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí alágbára kó gbẹ̀mí ọmọ wa kó gbọmọ wa lọ́wọ́ wa ọ̀kan tó máa bẹ onítọ̀hún ọ̀kan tó máa ṣe pẹ̀lú onítọ̀hún.
I really love your submission. The Lord will strengthen you more. Are you getting me? The Lord will strengthen you more. I love your courage. Let's see how it goes.
All right. Let's see go.
Let's see how it goes. Me coming up telling you this morning, I know what I've had and I know what I've seen after my study case. If Baba Mohbad does not let all those shenanigans go and stand upright, justice cannot be found. My concern about you is your life and that little boy with you.
Baba, I understand.
Because I want to about fire.
Baba gbogbo ọlọ́tí wà lọ́ndà radar ẹ fún gbogbo ẹ lẹ̀ ọmọ kò ṣe pá mọ̀ gbogbo àjọ mọ́ra wa ni àjọ wà ń gbòòrò ni àjọ wà ń títì ni kò sí yẹn.
They can go nítorí àṣírí ńlá tó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn.
Baba kò ṣe pá
ayé gẹ̀tì mi tábà tó gbogbo kílẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ ìsìlẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ ìjọ tí Mohbad ti kú. They stage that were here. We had their meetings upon meeting. Are you getting me? Baba Mohbad had to fall out because of reasons. Ọlọ́mọ ẹ kú òdebẹ̀. Ó béèrè nǹkan tó pọ̀ mọ́, ó ń béèrè pé ibo ni ìwé ilẹ̀ wà. Ilẹ̀ mélòó ló ní? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, who is fooling who sẹ́? Who is fooling who?
Baba ẹ bá wo ti baba
ẹ bá ṣe kọ́mọ sà.
So bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. It's a pity, it's disappointing, it's disgusting, it's sad that we are meeting ourselves in this situation and that the family that the boy came out from are the one truncating justice. It's bad, sad.
Very sad.
Sad.
Very sad, but
thank you.
Hey, no, family.
Be renew. Ṣé wàá mẹ́.
Be renew that mo wà ń bì. Mo gallant síbi ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ilé o. Mr. Ayomi, ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Mr. Olukayode, Sister Debbie, Expander, Onílé, Kiddy Boss.
Yes, ma'am.
Andy, good morning. Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ilé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, Balati, èmi kàn wá sókè this morning just to come and thank you and commend you and to say that I am happy, very happy and proud to be part of this platform, to be part of this family. Family Awati Akawe, family, the Talakawas. I am very happy because ẹni tó bá lójúnú, ẹni tó bá ń ronú will understand that beyond pé bóyá èèyàn kàwé, èèyàn lọ sí school, èèyàn ní emotional intelligence. Beyond that, orúkọ wà láti protect, integrity wà láti protect. And this is what this platform has been known for and that you're doing. Because gbogbo bó ṣe sọ lọ, bó ṣe sọ bọ̀. I'm proud. For those people that have left this platform for one reason or the other, I'm sure tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n ní àròjinlẹ̀ ní ṣe mọ̀ wọ́n á wò pé nǹkan táwọn tún bọ̀ ó mà ga o. So this morning I just want to commend everybody. I want to say that I am happy. I'm not here to go back and forth on Mohbad. No, I'm just here to commend you Olori Ebi pé ẹ ṣé. Thank you pé ẹ bójú wa jẹ́. You know, thank you pé ẹ gbà pẹ̀lú bọ́n ṣe ń gbé wá, because you know couple of times wọ́n ti wá bá yín, wọ́n ti fẹ́ lù yín lẹ́nu gbọ́rọ̀, wọ́n gbé wá gan pé Latisneh wọn náà pinnu ẹ̀, but you stood your ground. Wọ́n ṣe mímọ̀ ń ṣe yín náà Ọlọ́run ni àti tẹ́ lọ́rùn tó ń ṣe bàbá ẹ̀ wá. And ẹ má dẹ̀ feel pé wọ́n gbà wá torí wọ́n ní ẹni torí ẹ like information. Ṣẹ́rí, in a situation like this, information náà lẹ need láti fún àwọn supporters yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad yìí. So pé torí bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣe wá ń gbowó wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé Mr. Lati fẹ́ information. It doesn't matter. You did well fún àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé yín. Because ẹ ní láti gba information kẹ́ tó wá fún wọn. That's part of accountability. Because ẹ máa wá ẹ fẹ́ wà accountable fún àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé yín tó dẹ̀ ń dá owó. She understand? So there's nothing bad in looking for information. There's absolutely nothing wrong in that. Gbogbo bá dẹ̀ ṣe support gbogbo owó tá dá, let us just look at it like, well, no problem, àṣetò àfọlọ́run. Ibi tán nà dé, ibi tán fẹ́ nà dé, well, ó kù wọn kọ lọ́run. Tíyàn bá ń torí nǹkan tó máa jẹ àti nǹkan tó máa jẹ tó bá fi ń ba ọjọ́ ọ̀la ẹ̀ jẹ́. Ó kù ó kọ lọ́run. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ló máa bá a pín bẹ́ẹ̀ kò kí ń ṣe àwa. You understand? It's just a pity. Tó bá ń sọ pé ìyà generations làwọn èèyàn ń jẹ, wọn ò ní mọ ibi tó ti wá pàtó. But the most important thing is today, Olori Ebi, stand tall, celebrate yourself, be proud of how far you have come and what you have done in this movement. You have done excellently well. You have not ridiculed yourself in everything. Don't shake. Wọ́n ṣe camera down, you were not there. Wọ́n pín owó wọn lórúkọ yín bẹ̀. All you have done is to make sure you get information so as to be accountable to your fans and to make sure that this boy gets justice.
Wrong information of
Dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ń tàn wá ni. But it was all glaring yesterday. Pé bọ̀dá mi. At the end of the day, ṣe rí èèyàn tó bá ti ń já alágbe ló máa jẹ́ títí láéláé. Èèyàn tó bá ti wà poverty stricken, tó ní poverty mentality, no matter where they are, no matter how much they earn, that poverty will always be in them. So I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. But today, I celebrate you, sir.
Thank you very much.
I celebrate you. I celebrate everyone on this platform. And I say thank you. And for Justice For Mohbad, even though personally I've said it that, well, I'm not really too keen about, coming, doing all this. But I know without the family, justice can be gotten. We will get it. It doesn't have to be with the family. It doesn't have to. So today, we stand strong. We stand proud. We love you, Olori Ebi. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Olori.
Expander. Expander ṣe wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
mo wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ kú ilé gbogbo lé ẹ fún mi ní ìṣẹ́jú kan.
àmì lára lémi ló máa bá mo dẹ̀ ní kí n sọ fún kó bá ọ̀tá mi lára lémi ló máa bá.
ṣe ń bẹ̀ omi ìpàrà lémi ló ń fún wọn ní information omi ìpàrà lémi ló ń sell me out mo ní kí n sọ̀kò sọ́jà kó bọ́ọ̀tà mi ẹ lára lémi ló máa bá kí n sọ̀kò sọ́jà kó bọ́ọ̀tà mi ẹ lára lémi ló máa bá kí ló kanra lémi pẹ̀lú òkò mi náà òkò tí ń bá jù bá bára lémi o adẹ̀jẹ́ para lémi gangan lèèyàn burúkú adẹ̀para lémi gangan lèèyàn bí èmi náà máa wá stúdíò rọ̀lẹ́ yẹn má wọrí.
mo ti sign yín sẹ́ ẹ má wọrí mo ti sign yín.
Now, where are we going? Or what are we talking about? We're talking about Justice For Mohbad. One thing, sorry, láti kí wọ́n tó kọ́ máa lọ, gbogbo panelists, my greetings. Lọ́wọ́ federal wọ́n ti ń pe oníkálukú bàbá náà jáde pé wọ́n pè òun kí náà wọ́n fẹ́ bla 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 bla. Now kí ni ojúṣe títí wa as public now gbogbo shenanigans tó ń sọ yẹn ẹnìkan ṣe kinní kan gbé ẹsẹ̀ nìkan wá nǹkan kan yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ divert wa ni.